Okay, so today's lesson is looking at context clues and how we can use those to understand words. So this is your new document for vocabulary. You'll notice though there are some blanks. So what you will need to do is to look up these words and to add them to your document. But what I wanted to show you is that this is just like what we did in class. And so I have also provided you all of the pictures for this. And so if you look, there's the word right there. A vague odor of cinnamon hung around her. Why? Matt knew he was being rude when he had all her crowns been anything else to him. All right, so let's look back at what the definition is. It says vague, not clearly or explicitly stated or expressed. So if we look at that, we are looking at, what does it mean by Felicia and what she has. So if we look back at our document, it does say a vague odor of cinnamon hung around her. So that is if we look right here, this is that the odor was around her. Okay, so that is what it is. So now you go over and you will look at how can you create a sentence that will go along with that. So you want to make sure that you create a sentence that is just like the book, but it is your own. So that is what you're to do today for this assignment, or actually that you will work on for the next week and a half. You do have a week and a half to get this done. I provided pictures of every single word, so please make sure that you're using that document, or if you have your own book or you have another way of doing this, to make sure that you're thinking about it. If completing on the computer is too much for you, you are welcome to draw the chart or print it out, whatever works for you and your family. But kind of think about how you can get this done. So that's our lesson for today. Thanks so much and have a great